Yo, what's crack-a-lacking, guys? Crypto King's back to give you guys another update on the crypto market. Well, let me do this. Oh, there he goes. A little bit wider. There you go. Hey, what's happening, guys? Hey, happy Friday. Hope you guys had a good weekend, a good week. Let's get right to it. What I see, guys. So some interesting things are happening in the market recently, guys. A lot of crazy movements here and there. First off, the FTX news. Supposedly, FTX, the owner, is it James Bankman? I can't remember. The CEO basically is supposed to be going to prison. That's the news. Jesus Christ, that's insane. Honestly, I'll tell you guys, that's really insane. That's gonna set things back a lot. Okay, FTX going down. That's a big one. It's a big coin too. Like, oh, it's a big company. I thought it was gonna last, but damn, that crash is gonna cause a lot of other ones to crash too, guys. So again, more news and more reason for more downside. That was just another one. That's all it is. But besides that, something that's interesting is that DXY is breaking down right now. Quite hard. It actually came all the way down to 106. Okay, so a lot of people are saying, oh my God, DXY is breaking down. That's it. It's a reversal. Bull market happening. That's it. You know, I'm like, pump your brakes, go. Pump your brakes, guys. Like, you know, this DXY has done this many times before. Okay, I've been studying the DXY like a motherfucker. I swear, I think I studied DXY. I watched it and charted DXY a lot more than a lot of these motherfuckers out here. And I've just seen the way it moves, just the way it moves all year this year, and just in the past years I was studying and seeing how, and like, this is the thing, DXY likes to break down significantly and then all of a sudden pump the fuck back up, okay? Faking people out thinking like, oh, it's going back down, it's time to invest, and then all of a sudden it's a sight, you know, and then it just takes all your money again when it rises back up. That's how it does it. And I think that's what's happening right now, okay? DXY is shooting down, but I don't think it's time for it to completely fall down yet. I think it's just gonna teeter-totter around, you know, this peak. I think it did hit like around its peak, like 114. I think that's around its peak. It might bounce back up and go to 115, 116, and do, you know, just kind of hit it a few more times, like, you know, and then but for the next year or so, keeping us, you know, investors in stock and crypto, whatever, still in the low, still in the bear market for the next year or so, until finally it decides to slowly fall down, which will cause, you know, the stock market and crypto and stuff to slowly rise back up. Okay, again, it's going to take a little time. But yes, DXY has done this before, and I'm going to show you guys right now what I'm talking about, all right? Let's get right to the charts. Let's get right to it, y'all. All right, guys, check it out. DXY is back at 106. Back at 106, okay? Now, let me show you guys something. Okay, so this is a DXY. Okay, oh, shit. Let me show you today. This is a DXY where we are today, okay? Look at this drop. Pretty significant drop, right? Pretty crazy. Came from all the way from 114 all the way over here, hitting my target perfectly to the T. Now it looks like it's correcting. Look like it's on its way down, right? This purple line right here, I said maybe it's going to bounce off that. It blasted right through that. So I'm like, ooh, it's pretty interesting right there, you know? It looks like it wants to just fucking keep on continuing down. But this is what I think. With the way the economy is looking, the way it looks like, you know, we still want to crash some more. I see the DXY still holding up high, like, you know, just kind of going like this, bank for the next maybe year or two. Okay, maybe even all of next year. You know, just bank, come down, come back up here, bank, and then come back up here, bank, maybe 2024, and then finally fall down. I see that possibly happening, okay? And because I'll show you guys why right now, real quick. Check this out. So look, DXY hit this in September 26th, right? Let's take that, bring all the way down over here to where we at right now. That's 42 days. It dropped 7%, basically 7%, 24. You know, so it dropped all the way down to 106 from 114 to 106. It did that, okay? 7%, and it still looks like it wants to go down some more. And everyone's saying, "Oh, that's it. DXY is done." Let me take you back in the past real quick. Let's zoom out. When in doubt, zoom out, okay? Let's go back to the past. Right over here when DXY last hit a crazy-ass peak in 2000 to 2003. See, from 2000, as you can see the bottom chart over here, from 2000 to 2003. Or 2002 is when it fucking just, you know, went nuts. And check this out. This does not look familiar to you guys right here. The DXY came all the way up here and then dropped all the way down over here. So imagine if you didn't see what was ahead. You just saw this happening right here. Imagine if you saw that. You're like, oh shit, this shit is tanking. That's it. It's going down. And all of a sudden, this, and goes back up. You're like, fuck. Right, so that's why I'm thinking. I think DXY is going to do it again. Look, let me show you guys something else. Look at this from up here when it peaked to all the way down here when it bottom, like the first bottom at least, about right over here. That was about 49 days, and it dropped 8.6%. Now, right now, it's about 40-something days. We dropped, 7-point-something%. So maybe we have a little bit more to go before it starts bouncing again, like it did over here, guys. And this is what I see happening again. 20 years ago, DXY did this. Came to a peak, came back down, 7-8%. Then boom, came back up past that last peak. Came back down another freaking like about 6-7%, Came back up again, almost matched the last peak, but slightly lower than the last peak. And then from then it was capitulation time for the DXY. Then it finally started coming down. Bang, 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 bang. All the way down, all the way down, all the way the fuck down. As you can see. See that? So it took a few years, guys. As you can see. Look, from this peak, November 2020 to this peak, January 2002. What, 2 years, guys, and up there, before finally crashing back down. So, hey, let's go back to now. Where we are right now. Hey, look, this could happen again. This can happen again, guys. It can go down over here, come all the way back down about 7-8%, and then all of a sudden, boom, slowly come back up again. Bang. Come to 116, come back down. Do it again, come back to 115, come back down, and finally capitulate. Hey, very, very possible, guys, okay? So as the DXY stays up here for next year, we will stay all the way down there. We, as in stock market and Bitcoin, will stay all the way down there, okay? That's what I'm trying to tell you guys. That's why I'm saying the bear market is in. We've been in a bear market, and we're still going. Now let's check out the stock market. Stock market had a nice bounce, guys. Very, very nice, significant bounce over here. And it looks like it's still continuing to bounce, which is kind of crazy. It's just very odd because the stock market is doing the opposite of what Bitcoin's doing. But it is doing the same what it is complying with what the DXY is doing. DXY goes down, stock market Bitcoin bounces up. So it's happening right now. Stock market bounced up. So I had this wedge over here, and I'm like, this is a strong wedge. If it wants to stay bullish, it's got to break the wedge, come back, retest the wedge, and continue up. So it looks right now it looks like it's about to break it. It's breaking slightly, so that's good news. So pay attention to that. What I want to know is if Bitcoin's going to follow it. So that's the question right now. Bitcoin does not look like it's following it right now at all. Is it delayed reaction? Possibly. If this is a delayed reaction to what the stock market's going to do, then expect this to fucking shoot up pretty hard, guys. It will shoot up pretty hard also, possibly come all the way up to fucking 31,000 maybe. Hey, and if that happens, then yeah, I'll admit I was wrong because I was expecting to just continue to go down. But I wouldn't be wrong fully because I'm telling you guys now, because it didn't happen yet, right? So, but not only that, I still expect downside if it does that. I wouldn't expect a bull run after that. I would expect it to come all the way up here, get to 31, get rejected by here again, then come back down and capitulate all the way down to 8. Imagine that, guys. How much of a fucking scare would that be? That would be an ultimate, incredible fucking catastrophe. And yeah, it's possible, guys, because, just look at it. Like, it's been coming down for so long, bounced a little bit. You can bounce another one last little bounce over here, hit the 32, get everyone else bullish again, then come bang, bang, and then everyone's like crying, like I gave up on this, And it just looks like it makes sense in the chart. It just come all the way down here, bang, 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 up here, bang, and now back down. It just kind of makes perfect sense. I don't know. I think it does. I can see it very, very, very much happening. But if there is a bounce, a significant bounce, if this decide to follow the stock market, guys, expect this to bounce significantly. Maybe not all the way up there, okay? Maybe all up to 25 again, but that will make it do a double peak from the last peak over here and then a drop, also very possible. But if it does break through that, then yeah, 32 or around here, this yellow line right here will be strong resistance. I don't see it breaking through. I see it coming there, boom, getting rejected, and then coming back down some more for sure. But again, I don't see that happening. I'm just saying that's a possibility. I see it not happening more than happening. I'm just saying that it's possible because stock market did that. Oh, what the fuck? I just moved one on markers. I don't want to do that. There you go. Leave that there. All right, man. That's it, man. I'm taking too long this fucking video. I got to get right to it. Ethereum, Cardano, they're all dropping just because Bitcoin's dropping. And I think it's going to be more droppage to go. And you know what? That's it. Just video's taking too goddamn long. Sorry about that, guys. But a lot of information, A lot of stuff happening. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you guys appreciate it. If you guys like this video, please give me a quick like. Take 2 seconds, click the like button, click. Thank you, man. Appreciate it, man. All that jazz. Give me a comment, all that, because it helps algorithm, helps more people watch the channel. It makes me feel like I'm not talking to myself. Sometimes I feel like I am. I mean, technically I am, but, talking talking to you guys. And if you guys new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to your notification on, because I'm going to give you guys updates on Bitcoin, crypto, and the market every single day, 365 days throughout the year. I'm going to keep you guys updated with these damn charts so you guys don't have to. Just tune in to me, watch me for a few minutes, find out what's going to Bitcoin, DXY, stock market charts, and all that jazz. Giving you guys the best prediction than anybody else in the goddamn net. Okay, all these other freaking moon boy shillers. I'm not a fucking moon boy. I'm also not a bear boy. I'm just right in the fucking middle. So I give you guys the most honest truth. I don't lean this way, I don't lean that way, I lean right here. See, whatever I'm right here, whatever I feel is the most correct, that's where I'm going. Okay, that's it, guys. Till next time, hope you guys have a good weekend. Crypto Kings out. Peace.